This is my review of the SPT Countertop Dishwasher. I got this on Amazon for about 200 bucks, and it was an impulse buy because I just hate doing dishes. My apartment doesn't have a dishwasher, so it works like a charm. I load it up twice a week and don't have to do dishes. That's the inside. It's kind of small, but it works really well. You can rearrange some of the things inside, like you can remove that. It says in the instruction manual not to overload it or anything like that, but sometimes I just fill it packed and it'll clean everything pretty well. And all you do is connect it to the power, and you connect the hose in the back to your faucet. Really easy. There's a few different settings that you can wash your dishes under. I just use the normal one. I think there's like a heavy duty one and like one for more fragile glasses. But anyway, if you don't have a dishwasher and are researching countertop ones, this one's pretty solid.